Hey, boys and girls, I've received several emails stating, Mr. Drake, I'm not for sure how to do this Foursquare. How do I do a Foursquare? Well, I guess I'll go over this. With that being said, I have the basics of a Foursquare written down for you here. We have our hook at the top, we have our conclusion at the bottom, and then we draw 4 boxes in the middle, which will be our Foursquare. For this particular piece, we need to use at least 3 of these boxes. So I'm going to put 2, 3, 4 on there. The reason why I'm putting 2, 3, 4 is because our hook will be paragraph 1 and our conclusion is going to be paragraph 5. Now, obviously, our topic is getting sprayed at the bus stop. So on your particular Foursquare, you need to decide where in your story do you want to get sprayed at the bus stop. Do you want that to be in the hook at the beginning of your story? If so, you'll put it up here, and then you'll write the next 4 things that happen. Do you want it to happen in the middle of your story? If so, you might put it in paragraph 3. So you in your hook in your paragraph 2, you'll be leading up to getting sprayed. And then paragraphs 4 and 5, you'll be writing what happens. Or maybe you want to put it down in your conclusion. The last thing that happens is that you get sprayed. Of course, you could be writing that you're the driver of the car. Same difference. Where are you going to put that you're actually driving through the puddle spraying the people at the bus stop? So deciding where you want it, I'm going to pretend that I'm going to put it in the middle. So I'm going to put bus stop incident here. And so now I've got to figure out, why am I going to the bus stop? I'm going to do something random just because I don't want anybody to steal my idea. So I am taking the bus. I am going to, let's see, I am going to take a bus to the library. That's what I'm doing. All right, so let's see, in my hook, something exciting about going to the library. It's new release day, and my favorite book is coming out. And I'm number 1 on the wait to check out. So I get the book today. For this occasion, in paragraph 2, maybe I dressed up as my favorite character. I put on makeup, a costume, and I'm doing a vlog, a video log of the incident. So I'm filming it. So I walk to the bus stop. The incident happens, and I can go into detail about the incident. And this would be a good spot to use my 5 senses and whatnot. I might get in after the incident. I'm going to be upset. I might introduce a new character. And this is where, when this new character arrives, I'm going to come up with my dialogue. That's when I'm going to talk to this new character. I'm going to come up with a plan of how I'm going to fix being wet to get to the library. And then finally, my conclusion is just how am I going to end up being at the library, getting to the library, and how I'm going to resolve getting the book. Now, obviously, this is kind of generic, just kind of a quick jot down of a Foursquare. You all can do much better than this. Again, I'm expecting a lot. I want this to really be a good essay. Some of you have already finished and said, I'm done, Mr. Drake, turned in your final copy. Even if you think you're done, I want you to go back and make it better. I've looked at all of them, and there's ways to improvement, or there's segments in the story I'm sure the reader would want to know more about. So I want you to dig deeper and try to improve it. You can make more than 5 paragraphs. It can be more. So make sure you do it. Also, I'm just going to put it on here. Make sure you verify that you have all 6 rules checked off. If you don't have all 6 rules, your grade is going to suffer from it, and this grade is going directly in the report card. So you get to determine, are you getting a 3, a 2, or a 1? And you need to follow all the 6 rules. Make sure you've done that. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to pause this in about 30 seconds and cut it off because it always cuts it off early. So I'm going to start counting to 30 and see where it actually cuts it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,